Right now, while you're watching this, there's a silent auction happening. Not for art, not for antiques, for you. Your attention is being bought and sold faster than you can blink. And the price? It changes every single time you click play. Here's what's wild. Nobody at YouTube headquarters decided which ad you just saw. No human being made that choice. Instead, in the fraction of a second between your click and the video loading, an entire marketplace opened, bid, closed, and decided your attention was worth, let's say, 30 cents, maybe 2 cents, maybe nothing at all. To understand why this has to work this way, picture this. Every single day, enough video gets uploaded to YouTube to watch non-stop for 180 years. Every single day. That's not a platform anymore. That's a content volcano. And somewhere in that chaos, your video about your cat needs to find the perfect advertiser for dog food, luxury watches, or mobile games in milliseconds. No company on Earth could hire enough humans to make those decisions. So YouTube built something else. The moment you upload a video, scanning begins. Bots read your title, they analyze your thumbnail, they scan your description, parse your captions, even measure the sentiment in your comments. They're trying to answer one question. What is this video actually about? But here's the thing, they're guessing. A really sophisticated guess, sure, but a guess. And that guess determines everything. Because on the other side, advertiser bots are scanning too, with their own instructions. Bid on cooking videos, but not controversial ones. Target women 25 to 40. Avoid anything mentioning politics. Maximum bid, $8 per 1,000 views. So when you click on a video, any video, a tiny auction fires. YouTube's bot announces, I've got a viewer. Looks like they're interested in tech, probably late 20s. Watched 3 phone reviews this week. Who wants in? And instantly, dozens of advertiser bots start calculating. Is this viewer valuable enough? Will they skip immediately? Are they on mobile or desktop? Have they clicked ads before? Every single factor changes the bid. The highest bid doesn't automatically win because YouTube only makes money if you actually watch or click the ad. So the real winner is the ad most likely to earn real dollars, not just promise them. Here's where it gets interesting. You know those skippable ads, the ones you can bail on after 5 seconds? Advertisers don't pay for those unless you actually watch them or click them, which means a company offering $10 per 1,000 views doesn't matter if their ad is so boring that everyone skips instantly. YouTube's bot knows this, so it's constantly weighing, would I rather show a $10 ad that nobody watches or a $4 ad that people actually engage with? The math always favors the ad that makes real money, not theoretical money. But the biggest variable in all of this, it's not the video, it's you. On YouTube, you're not the customer, you're the product. Advertisers are the customers, and your attention is what they're buying. 2 people watching the exact same video will see completely different ads because the bots are building separate profiles for each of you. Your search history, your watch patterns, your device, even the time of day you typically watch, all of it has a price. Okay, so here's what you actually want to know. How much is this all worth? Think of it like this. If 1,000 people watch a video, advertisers might pay about $2.50 total. Not per person, per 1,000 people. That money gets split, roughly $1.40 to the creator, $1.10 to YouTube. Scale that to 1 million views, that's $1,400 to the creator, $1,100 to YouTube. But here's something most creators learn the hard way. Your audience matters more than your views. 1 million views from teenagers might earn less than 200,000 views from investors. The auction doesn't reward effort, it rewards advertiser demand. If businesses are desperate to reach your audience, your CPM rises. If they're not, it collapses. And those numbers swing wildly based on market conditions. December is expensive because companies are competing for attention. January crashes because budgets reset. Same views, same video, different market conditions. A video about investing? Premium rates. A video about fidget spinners? Pennies. Finance channels might earn $6 per 1,000 views. Kids channels might earn 80 cents. Same effort, completely different value. So, zoom out for a second. What we're really talking about here is an economy running at machine speed. Millions of auctions per minute, bots negotiating with bots, content matched to viewers, matched to advertisers, all in the time it takes you to blink. It's not a video platform anymore. It's a marketplace where attention is the commodity, and the price changes every microsecond based on supply, demand, and 1,000 invisible calculations. The next time you see an ad, remember, that wasn't planned. That was purchased in real time, just for you. And here's the strangest part. The video you're watching right now, its value was decided before you even clicked. The bots made their guesses, ran their auction, and determined what this moment of your attention is worth. You'll never know the exact number, but somewhere in YouTube servers, this second has a price tag. Makes you wonder what the next video you click is worth, doesn't it?